Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistant for the headphone Skullcandy Grind. You have to start by open Skullcandy application. Now go to button settings. And now you should choose what press you want. I prefer single press for it, but you can choose double press, triple press on or 1 second hold. So now after that, when you decide to choose what tab you need, you should decide you need to use a left one or right one earbud. I wanna use left one, so I just scroll down and click on Activate Assistant. Now, if I press one time on my left earbud, I will call a Google Assistant. So let's check it. Hi Google, how are you? And here we go, it's working. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.